Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about UBS or UBS Group AG. Now, most of all those who are related or those who are linked with stock market, they know what has happened. The big deal for 2023 has already been done, and obviously it's like opening up a Pandora's box. I don't want to go into the details, okay, but what I can look at or what I can do for you is to analyze the trend in a very simple manner. I mean, I know that there are lots of ifs and buts. I mean, in terms of knowledge, I may not be as able to beat a market veteran of 40-50 years, but my actual, I mean, if I want to say what's my USP or what's my plus point, I can see things in a very normal and simple way. If this works out, fine. If it does not, then rather finding reasons, just walk out. Don't spend your time and efforts, most specifically money. Okay. Now, if you are looking at UBS, understand one thing: whenever you spend money on something, and we don't know how much profit it will make for you, then it would be a very precarious situation. And whenever we are talking about banking shares or banking stocks across the globe, be very mindful that this is a very serious business, and there are very few investors who can actually know how to deal with this situation or how to hold banking shares or banking stocks. Okay, this is not a cup of tea for each and everybody. That is very clear. It does not matter whether somebody is an analyst for the next 10 or 15 years. No, holding a banking share or banking stock is a completely different ball of game, and there are it requires very sensible minds, and I would say there are very few. It does not matter how much experience you do have in the market, but it requires much skill than one can expect. So there are very few who can actually understand this entire business, and that's why we know a handful of names, those who are running this business across the globe, not only in specific country but across the globe. Anyways, the intention, if you are looking at UBS Group AG or UBS stock, you can clearly see the stock is trading in between a range, and even though it hits the upper end of the range, which is in between 20.39 and 23.7, but this current adventure, I would say, will will cost them a lot, because there are lots of things as far as the financials are concerned which will change, and the way it is indicating, it looks like UBS is again going towards 9.95 and 7.5. I'm just talking about the trend. If it happen, then fine. If it does not, then I will wait for this stock to surpass and sustain above 23.7, which will be considered as a breakout. If it does not happen, and if UBS continues to sustain above $20 or less, mind you that in the upcoming years it will move towards 9.95 and 7.5, and that's the destiny. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.